Hi, this is Dr. Judith Briles, and I'm the Book Shepherd. And my question for you today is, do you have a book game plan? Most authors don't. Most authors wing it. So let's start looking at that a little bit. What's the game plan have? One, the savvy author, smart author, knows what they're writing for. They know what they're writing, what the book is all about in that. They know what their writing environment is best, what they can go into and get there and get the book out in that. Then they know who they need help from whether it's cover, whether it's interior design, whether it's research, whether it's putting an index together. They know. They start putting that together in the very beginning. It's just not writing, which is where many authors get in trouble. They're just going to start writing. They're just going to write. I'm going to write a book. I got this idea. I'm going to write a book, without thinking that this book is a product and when it's done. And they think about, so how am I going to maybe market my product? How am I going to sell my book? Who would be the buyer of the book? How do I reach out to them? Where do they hang out? And so much more. There's a game plan needed for the book. How you're going to stay in contact. What kind of monies you're going to need to bring this about. How much of your time and energy will go into this creation, and then the support behind the book when you're all down. Those are the essentials that have to be put together in this process called publishing, creation, and marketing. So what's your game plan? What's in your game plan wallet to get your book done, completed, published, and out there? I'm Judith Briles. I'm your book shepherd. Follow my podcast at Author You, Your Guide to Book Publishing, and make sure that you join our Facebook group, Judith Briles Book Publishing, and please share these tips and other videos with others in your author and writing community.